Yes, what up, what up? Oh yeah. So, I'm really tired. Every day I'm hustling. But I want to show you also how to fix the car, of course. Because I have a few problems again with my car. One of the problems is that screen wash fluid, it doesn't spray if I turn the switch. It doesn't spray if I turn the switch, as you see. If I turn the switch down, the wiper blades go up and down, as you see. And if I pull it towards me, it doesn't spray anything. So that doesn't mean that it's only empty, but there is some electrical problem, some short, we call it circuit. There is a problem, and I'm going to look if I can find the problem. So I will take the chair out first. Like that. So that's it. This is the screen wash reservoir. So I have here some water with soap. I'm going to add it, and then really easy, like this, as you see. Screen wash water. So that's like half a liter. Nothing, you see. So I will now look if I can see, if I can reach the wires. I see something there. It's over there, the tube and the two wires. So I'll go beneath the car. I wanted to show you that there is something wrong here. And it's all rusty, as you see, with two wires. Let me see if the switch, I will touch it. I will. Nothing. I am now turning the switch on, but there is nothing. Yes. As you hear, as you see. There is something wrong with the motor, or something here in the wiring case. Now I turn the switch and it's off. It doesn't turn on. And if I press it a little bit like this, okay? If I press it, it works. So, as you see, it works again. You hear it also? So there was something in I need to take a closer look at it, but I know there is some small problem over there. There is it. There. Two wires, the tube where the fluid goes through the front. Yeah, So that is a fix. As you hear, let's look good, as you see. But I need to show you another problem. Look good, and as you notice that there is something missing. Look how much water I spray. It goes over, it flies over the car. It doesn't even reach the window. So I wanted to show you that I also need to change something here. You see? There is only one on the left and the right one is gone. And it's a little bit loose. But to reach this part, you need to take the dashboard away. So that's really difficult and really annoying. So I hope that's a fix. Yes, yeah, it still works, as you see. So that's a fix, and I hope that it stay for a while.